Just picked up another one, YouTube. The guy said it was a 110, but to my knowledge, a 110 would have 109 cm right here. This has 120. So comment down below, is this a 110 engine or 125? But besides that, I think it needs a shock, because when you lift it up, it's a lot of play. And my mechanic gonna figure out why it's not starting, but stay tuned. It says Sick Boys. The brand, I don't know. If anybody know what this says, comment down below. I think that's a S. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do more research. But stay tuned, man. More content coming.